Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to talk about search params. So without further ado, let's just jump right into creating a route and also a link in our home page that will navigate us to the route page. So I'll click on my app, now create a new folder, name the folder courses. Then in the folder, I'll create a file and name it page.tsx. Now let me type the React snippet, which is RFC. Okay, then here I'll give it a name of, let's say, course 6 page. Now when I save it and open our browser and refresh, you could see that nothing happened. But when I navigate to the slash courses, the class to the route page courses and press enter, you will see that course page, which is this route being created here. So all I have to do right now, I have to create a link in my home page that will help me navigate to this course page without writing or without typing course in it, just like I did right now. So let me cancel it. Now go to my home page, which is localhost 3000. Now let me create the link. Open, close, link. The link should be imported from next/link. Opening and closing of the link. So in between the open and close, let me just give it, type a name of open course page. After, we have to give our link an href, and so the href is where you specify the path in which you want the person to be navigated to when the person click on this link. So I want him to be navigated to the course page. So slash courses. Now when we save it and open our browser and now refresh, you could see, okay, home and open course page. But because my and home and open course pages are the same line, you could see that they are on the same line. So let me add a break here to separate the home from the course. So now when I refresh, you could see that my open course page is here. So the moment I click on this, you will see that it will be navigated to my course page. Now let's implement the search param. The search param is in such a way that in my link URL, all I need to add is a question mark. Then I give the search param a name. So let me just give a search param a name of, let's say, article. Then each call to, then I'll give the article as article name as good news. Okay, good news. Okay, now let me save the file. Now open my browser. In my home page, when I refresh, you could see nothing happen. And when I navigate to my course page, you will see that now the URL is course question mark article is equal to good percentage 20 new. So it's because of this being added to my URL. So after my path, which is a slash course, the question mark, whatever is after the question mark, is termed as the search param. So in order for us to retrieve the search param, all we need to do is now go to our course outline. In our function, open in our function bracket, which is the page bracket, you bring a curly braces and type search param search params and give it a type as any. Now in order for us to display it, now before that, let's console log our search param. So console.log our search param. So console.log search param. Now when we save it and open our browser and refresh, you could see that nothing happened. But when you check in the inspector panel, you could see that there is, let me go to console, you could see that there is a React promise. So let me just comment this out. Now let me save it. Now when I open my browser, clear my terminal and refresh it, you could see that nothing shows up. So this console log was trying to console log this promise. So when I now bring it back and now open my browser, you could see that there is a promise pending. So this promise, in order for us to get the promise, you have to make this set param and await, for it to wait to it get a parameter before it's being displayed. So let me make it an await and now make the function an async function. So now when I save it and open my browser, now clear my terminal, the moment I refresh it, you will see that my set param is now coming through, which is the article, and the value is viewable. So in order for us to display it on our screen, let me just create a variable. So conf search, let me just name it search, okay, search p now equals to the console log whatever I brought here. So await console, await search param. Then afterwards, the moment I want to display it, all I need to do is let me let me replace the course page with the search param with an h1 tag. So in the h1 tag, I just calibrate this, now paste the search param value. So now when I save it and now open my browser, you could see that it's giving me this warning because this search params is an object. So for me to get the specific value, I just have to type dot article. Since, let me check, since yeah, since the variable name is article, so dot article, so dot article. Now when I save it and open my browser and now refresh, you will see that the value, which is good news, is being displayed here. You see that the value good news is being displayed here. So basically, I have used the search params here, or I have retrieved the search params here, and I have displayed it on my screen. And always bear in mind that in order for you to take into consideration search param, any